Hi traders, Anthony here. A few people have asked me how to trade live funds, live crypto through TradingView, and it's actually quite easy. TradingView, if you go down to the trading panel down the bottom here and open that up, you'll see a list of brokers or exchanges down here. You can connect Gemini. Gemini is a crypto exchange, one of the better ones, I have to say. So you'll be able to connect your Gemini account in TradingView and be able to trade directly your TradingView charts. If you haven't already opened an account with Gemini, there's a link below my video in the description. If you click on that, it will take you to the exchange and you'll be able to click up here to get started. Open your account, simply transfer your Bitcoin or crypto over into your Gemini account, and then back here in TradingView, simply go down to the trading panel and connect to your broker. Before I wrap up the video, I would like to say if you're fairly new to trading, I don't recommend trading live funds, and you have the option to connect to a paper trading account down here where you can practice and learn at no risk. That's my recommendation. In any case, the link to Gemini, if that's the path you want to take, that's in the description below the video. And as always, safe trading, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.